Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you how you can download Minecraft for free on PC. So to do this, first you want to open your web browser. Now in a web browser, you want to search for Minecraft trial and then press an answer. Now open the official Minecraft.net website and then scroll down to the download section. Now here you want to select your operating system, for example, Windows 10 or 11. Now you want to make sure to download the Java edition. After the download finishes, you want to open your download folder and then click on Show in Folder. Now you want to move the downloader file to your desktop and open the installer. Accept the terms and conditions and then click on Install. Now you want to wait for the Minecraft to finish installing and then finally click on Let's Go button. Next, you want to sign in with your Microsoft account. So you want to make sure you're using a Microsoft account that has never played Minecraft before. If you don't have one, click on Microsoft account at the bottom of the page and click on Create New Account. Now once the Minecraft launcher opens, click on Sign In again and then sign in with your Microsoft account. Now click Play Demo at the top. The game will restart downloading, and once the download is completed, you can now start playing Minecraft for free.